guys, welcome to my home and my version of Winter Wonderland. I love Christmas. I love that decorating. I love celebrating the season. I love religion. I love Christ Jesus. And so I'm going to welcome you into my Christmas decor. So go ahead, let's get started. Okay, so this is my living room. If you watched my fall decor video, the setup is a little bit different. I had white chairs there, or those cream color chairs over there. I had the bench here. I had some ottomans, but that type of stuff has been moved and shifted around. And so now when you first enter into my home, I have my candelabra. I love this thing. It's so extra and over the top, but it gives great romantic views at nighttime. Hi, Mr. Grayson. Good morning to you. I have a flocked garland on my staircase, and I've just added a few burlap bows to it for a little bit of depth. And then I have my coat rack out because you need your coat rack in the winter time, and I have the coat rack with just one stocking on it. That's for a guest, so my guests will have that stocking. And a little wall decor piece here. This is actually a door knocker, and I just added it to the wall because I wanted something, just a little bit of something there. I've added into this room a poof. This poof goes with the rug, and it's just so cozy when you just want some place quick to flop down. It's also great for laying. It's a great pillow. And I add trees. I love these flocked mini trees. I've had them for several years now. I use them in my home. I've used them for decorating other places. They're just a wonderful accent piece for the season. And then these are my ginger jars, which were previously on my mantle in my family room for the fall, but for my winter decor they live here. And these are my family of nutcrackers. I've been collecting nutcrackers for years, and friends and family continue to add to my collection. So this is the first set in this room. I've styled some books on the table behind the sofa and just switched out the pillows. I put these more unique, ornate ones out for the season. They are beautifully embellished, and they just make a nice little statement piece for that area. I've moved the acrylic book holder, painting holder, easel, there it is. I've moved that into this corner, and then I've just styled some books on it that fit the color scheme. This is a great book by Christiane Lemieux, The Finer Things. It's just, if you're into decorating your home decor, it's a great book. This is another great book I picked up at a thrift store, The Allure of French and Italian Decor. I took the jacket off. The jacket was absolutely hideous, but the book itself is really good, and the cover of the book is pretty. More trees, and I just set this tree in a bucket that I got. It's a very glittery bucket that I got years ago from the Target dollar spot. These stockings also came, these glittery ones, these came from Target dollar spot years ago as well. And this is my newest addition. I add a tree every year. I've added her. She's a miniature girly tree, and I've layered her with lots of candles so that she's light up at night. I didn't want to put lights on her, but she's absolutely adorable. Her little fur wrap and her jeweled piece that holds it all together, and the little bow around her waist is so cute. This is my second family of nutcrackers. Zoom in, and have a candle holder. These are by Nicole Miller if you're interested in the candle holders. I've also switched the lamps, I believe. No, these were the lamps that was out for fall decor. So these are the same lamps that came from HomeGoods, but I got them off of a Craigslist ad. And my nutcracker family. Now, what I found really funny, a friend of mine bought me a nutcracker. They really thought it was because they crack nuts, because the mouths open. You can open and close the mouths. That's not what the nutcrackers mean, but it was cute that that's what he thought. That's sweet. Now I have a sleigh here. I don't know what I want to fill it up with. It probably will be little small presents that I'll wrap up that will go in my sleigh, because that's Santa's sleigh, so it needs to have gifts in it. If you remember from my fall decor video, I said always use your vases to layer things. I'm using the vase this time as a vase. All I've done this time is just stick a tree in it. Previously in my fall decor post, I had a pumpkin on top. I've added these ottomans and removed the leopard animal print ones. And so these blue ottomans also came from Craigslist. The slipper chairs came from the thrift store. And these trees, they come from various stores, but they're all within that TJ Maxx, HomeGoods, Marshalls family. These pillows came from the Target dollar spot years ago. These little mini sequin pillows. And then at the bottom of my female tree, I have a gift that's already wrapped and ready to go. And these beautiful embellished reindeer. They just sparkle and give off such gorgeous light. And you know what I didn't do? I didn't light up the tree. This is my female bust tree. I think she's absolutely beautiful. I just love the way she is shapely and all kind of girly and gorgeous. Hold on, I'm going to turn her lights on. She lit up. She's gold glitter in her bodice. And I've added a necklace along with a bow and then one ornament. This ornament was kind of special to me, so I figured why not layer them on her skirt. And they're just dancing reindeer. I thought those were pretty. And then I filled in her holes with these gold poinsettia leaves. And they come from a bunch, and I just pulled the leaves apart. But what I love is that they're even blinged out themselves. I built a pedestal for her. This is just a little table where I've wrapped fur around the base of it, so that gives her a little bit of height. And voila, my lady tree. She's so cute. This wreath I've had for a number of years, but I love the color scheme of it. I've added an ornament that says believe, and you can see how blinged and jeweled this wreath is. She has so much detail. She's absolutely stunning. I love to have her near the front door. One year I had her on the front door, but she's living inside the house this year. And in my bathroom, I've just hung wreaths. So these wreaths have that woodland rustic feel with the pine cones, but the pine cones still have frosting on them and everything is kind of sparkly. So this is the bathroom. I hope you enjoyed my living room and small bathroom tour. I have so many more rooms to go. I decorate lots of rooms, so we have 2 bathrooms, more to go, a bedroom, the landing, the kitchen, and the family room. So you have more to look forward to. Stay tuned for more. Happy holidays, everybody. And for my fellow YouTubers, happy Vlogmas.